Agnes, we are in District 19 today and I can't wait to show you this amazing brand new home because by the time our viewers have seen this video, it may have already been sold.
Wow, you definitely sound very excited about this landed home. I have to agree that I'm amazed by this house, so I think let's head right in.
Let's go!
Sitting on a plot size of almost 2,800 square feet, the developer has transformed the original terrace house into a majestic villa of approximately 6,900 square feet that is like a bungalow we see in the market today.
True, located within a cul-de-sac and Da Silva Lane with plot dimensions of approximately 42.5 meter and 6.2 meter width, the configuration of this home has been done according to entertainment deck, bonding deck, and family deck.
A grand entrance welcomes your guests into the house, and with the domestic helper room right in front, she will be able to attend to all incoming visitors.
What is most impressive is this fabulous slab pool where the size is comparable or even bigger than those boutique-sized apartments. And a fabulous sunbathing deck for barbecue.
After the fun games and activities, family and guests can head up to level 2, the bonding deck for their refreshments or meals. The seamless flow between the living, kitchen and dining area allows interaction among the guests and family, and developer has thoughtfully provided necessary appliances like dishwasher, refrigerator, oven as well as hob and hook for the new owners.
Guests staying overnight can also retreat to the comfortable sized guest room located on this level with a private bath as well as an outdoor terrace space.
Heading up to the upper levels of the house, we have another 4 good-sized ensuite bedrooms for the family, served by the home lift for each level, thereby making this home suitable for the young and the old.
With one main master bedroom and also a junior master bedroom, this is highly suitable for multi-generation living under one roof, where everyone can enjoy their individual privacy with the vast build-up area.
Most importantly, we are located in a highly convenient location within District 19, where we are just minutes drive away from local favourite food place at Serangoon Gardens, as well as Kovan MRT, where retail needs of the family can be looked after with Heartland Mall and the local retail shops. With a total of 11 primary schools within the 2-kilometer radius, including PL, MGS and Rosai School, parents with children registering for Primary 1 will be spoilt for choices.
At an affordable entry price of 6.58 million, this works out to be under $1,000 per square foot for a quality built, brand new 999 leasehold landed home. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with our listing manager Sharon Kim Chan at 9277 7772 for an exclusive home tour arrangement. This is Gerald.
And this is Agnes from OrangeTee, AAG landed 7772.
Your compass for landed properties.